everybody, Indy Meets Disney here, and we are at the beautiful Epcot.
Yep, so today we are going to take you along with us to see our top 5 rides here at Epcot.
That's right, so come along, let's go on this journey together. So we're heading on to Journey to Imagination with Figment.
Mr. Figment himself. I do love the catchy songs and the fun little Figment, but you know, it's not my favorite. What about you though, honey?
I love Journey to Imagination with Figment. I love this little dragon. He has a special place in my heart. There's just something about Disney that screams Figment to me. I love the music. I just love seeing Figment anytime that I can. The ride is fantastic in my book. I especially love at holidays when he has his little cute sweaters on. So this is a great ride for me.
Okay, so come along with us and join us into a journey into imagination.
All right, let's go.
Doc, it's not about listening with your ears. It's about listening with your imagination.
All together, if you would please read line 3.
With F-I-G-M-E-N-T, you can see things differently. Sure, you can see with your eyes, but imagine what you could see if you used your imagination. Follow the bouncing figment. One spark of light can light your fancy. Your mind sees more.
All right, continuing on with our top rides around Epcot. We are at our next ride here.
Yep, we're here at Soarin. My mom and I both love this ride quite a bit. And it's just a fun, relaxing ride. There's really good smells on the ride. And it just kind of takes you all across the world as you soar across the world. So it's pretty amazing.
I just don't enjoy this ride as much. It's pretty much just all projections. You sit in a seat that moves and you watch projections. So that really just doesn't do too much for me. I'm not a big projections, moving seat type person. But it's a decent ride. So let's go ahead and take a look at it and bring you along with us.
Yep, come along with us.
All right, continuing our countdown of top 5 rides here at Epcot. We are in front of our next attraction.
So we are here at Frozen Ever After. I really enjoy the ride. I really also enjoyed it when it was the Vikings ride originally here at Norway. So it kind of has the nostalgia of that from being a little kid, but also the fun of like the new Frozen songs and characters and all that stuff. So
It's a relaxing little boat ride. You get all those classic Frozen songs in there, and there's a nice little hill. You do get a little wet on it, so it is a fun ride. So
come along with us to another attraction and we'll rank that one too.
all right, here we go.
Ice has made a magic winter show. Please summer snow for spending me and you. Oh, we're going up to Elsa's Ice Palace with you.
continuing our countdown of best rides here at Epcot. We continue our countdown here.
At Remy's Ratatouille Adventure.
Like Soarin', it is projections and it is seats that move, but unlike Soarin', you actually go different places, go to different scenes, move around, see different scenery, get different smells, get different feelings of heat when you're under the stove. So it's a lot more than just projections and screens and such. It's a lot more interactive. It's a great new addition to Epcot, and I really enjoy this ride.
All of those things, but not only are projections, but it's also 3D projections. So you really feel immersed in the entire experience. You really feel like you're a rat. So, you know, what's not to love about being a rat? So yeah. It's a great time.
All right, so let's go in, take a ride, and come along with us.
Des invités pour le dîner.
Yes, but what here? Hein? Pour leur inviter pour le convaincre? Non. A simple omelet? Too simple. What? Mais oui, that's it!
Not pour vous. Hey guys, the food is for them, not you.
All right, we are here in one of the most popular rides at Epcot for our top 5 countdown.
We are. So for me, we're at Test Track right now.
So this is definitely a thrilling ride. Definitely has the speed here as far as Epcot rides are concerned. Until I think Guardians of the Galaxy Cosmic Rewind opens, I think that will definitely have the speed. But right now, this rules as far as speed, as far as thrill. And there it goes, right above us right now. But this definitely has the top thrills at Epcot right now. So we're going to take you in and show you what it's all about.
Come along with us.
Performance data acquired.
Wrap it up for our top 5 video here at Epcot. So what do you think?
Yep, we had a great time. Got to ride 5 different rides. Honestly, there's still a lot of great rides that we could have included.
And we'd love to hear yours. Leave them down in the comment. Let us know what your top 5 are here at Epcot.
Absolutely, we'd love to hear from you guys. And so thank you so much for watching this video. Take a moment to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. And until next time, we will
see you real soon. Bye guys.